Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix battery drain issue on your HP OmniBook 7 Flip. First of all, you have to enable the respective power mode on your PC, which you can do by right-clicking the battery icon on your taskbar and go in power and sleep settings. Then select power mode and change it from balanced to best power efficiency. You can also enable the energy saver below. And besides, you can also enable the same mode in the pre-installed HP application on your computer to increase and synchronize the settings between your HP software and Windows software. So what you have to do is open the Start menu and search for the HP application. If you cannot find it here, you can easily find it and install from the Microsoft Store. Once you run this application, wait until the dashboard loads up. And on the dashboard, go to System Control and change it to Power Saver. And in the same menu, you can also run Optimizer. Now, also to prevent your battery from draining in long-term periods, you can enter the battery manager and enable maximizing battery health of your battery, which will limit your battery charge up to 80%, which will basically decrease the battery lifetime in short-term period, but it will also make your battery drain much slower over time, since it will not lose its charging capacity. So you can disable or enable this feature depending on your preference. And also reduce the amount of applications consuming your battery's life, which you can do by right-clicking the taskbar, going to Task Manager, and after that right-click any of the column you see on the Process menu and select Power Usage. Now sort the applications by power usage, find the ones with the high power usage, and to disable such apps you have to simply right-click an application and select End Task. Besides, reduce the amount of startup applications by going to Startup Apps menu on the sidebar, sorting the apps by status, and disabling the apps that you don't need by right-clicking and selecting Disable. Besides, also, if you have your browser open, make sure to close all the idle tabs you have in your browser. Even if they are empty, they still consume your device's RAM power, which then results in battery draining issues on your PC. And lastly, keep your device up to date, both in Settings, Windows Update menu, and in the dedicated HP or HP Support Assistant application. In order to update your software in HP Support Assistant application or in HP app, you have to go back to the dashboard and let's wait until it loads up. Okay, and let me just check. Go to Well-being. Oops, it's not here. Okay, so unfortunately I wasn't able to find the updater in the HP application, so instead you can run HP Support Assistant app and then here select Updates, close this pop-up, Updates, and and let your laptop check for available updates. And once they are updated and installed, once the updates are installed, restart your computer to apply changes. And yeah, that's basically all the tips for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.